Hey everybody, my name is Steve Boston and I wanted to make this short video about Vima Opportunity in India. And we opened there last January, but we are looking for individuals who want to change their life financially for the better, change the financial direction in their life. We train, it's earn while you learn or learn while you earn, and we can set you up in business there in India. We can also help you here in the United States to start a business and have that expand to India with the contacts that you have. My email address is below this video. Also my toll-free number and my video Vima link. You can copy and paste that in the browser and go to that Vima link. So this is The Business of the 21st Century by Robert Kiyosaki. This is the form of income that we create. This is the 2-ounce daily nutritional supplement. It's clinically tested and physician formulated, the best in the world, and we market this product through a network of people. It's like a people's form of franchising. If you work 40 hours a week, you get paid 40 hours. In this business, you multiply your efforts. You duplicate yourself over and over like a franchise. Imagine McDonald's Corporation, 23,000 restaurants or more. They each pay 5% of the monthly revenue to the corporation. If you had 23,000 customers and like-minded business people in your organization, can you imagine the income that you would make per week? It's mind-boggling. We'd like to have you on your team. If you have a good attitude, you're looking to change the financial direction in your life, contact me and send you more information, and you can be on our team, and we will try to make sure that you're successful, but the efforts will come from you. We will be your support group and help you to learn. And come join. Let's start to change things for the better. Steve Boston. I'm in the United States right now, but in this virtual world, you can be anywhere. Take care.